Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. In this video, we will learn the process of creating a new database within Primavera P6 Professional. So to begin, let's first establish a clear understanding of what a database signifies in this context. So when we talk about the database, especially in a Primavera P6, so you can say the database is a central repository that stores all the project's data, including activities, resources, dependencies, and project-related information. So it acts as the foundation for a P6 platform, enabling users to plan, manage, and track projects. Okay, so let's start. Here you can see we have here the login name. So you can see our taxes. We can see here the admin. So actually, this is the place where the user enters their username. Okay. So next we have the password. So this is the field where the user enter their password. So after that we have here the advanced option. Let me show you. So all the databases will appear if we will click on the this node. You can see here. If I click on drop down button, so you can see a drop down menu allows the users to select the specific database to connect. So here we can see we have different databases. So you can see here. So after that, we have the language option. If I click on drop down, so you can see different languages. So you can choose languages as per your requirement. So after that, we have here the connect option, blue button. You can see blue button to actually we use this button to initiate the login process using the enter to enter the credentials. So next we have the disconnect. You can see a gray button. So likely to close the login window or potentially disconnect from the previous connection. So after that we have here the added database configuration. So in this video, because we are going to create a new database, so we will click on this option, added database configuration. You can see here, we will click on this option and a new window will pop up. You can see here. So on the left side you can see we have here the add button. So this button likely allows the users to add a new database configuration, and then we have here the search bar. You can see here. So this option enables searching for the existing database configuration. You can see we have different databases here. Here is the list of databases configurations. You can see here this section. You can see PMDB, Power BI, like that. So you can see here. So if I click on any databases, so you can see here we have two options here. Trash can icon. You can see a trash icon. Then we have the duplicate icon. You can see this is we use for copy. This option likely used to delete the selected databases configuration. Okay. So this option probably used to create a copy of the selected databases configuration. Okay, so to create a new database, we will click on add button. So now let's move to the right side. Here you can see driver type. If I click on drop down, so you can see we have different options under driver type. So first option we have here the Oracle. So actually, this option you can say we use to connect the Primavera P6 to an Oracle databases. Okay, so Oracle is a powerful enterprise level databases management system known for its scalability, reliability, and advanced features. Okay, so Oracle databases are the designed for the large and complex projects and organizations with the many users, or you can say multi-users and extensive data requirements. Okay, so after that, we have here the Microsoft SQL Server, and you can see SQL Server Express. So this option we use to connect the Primavera P6 to the Microsoft SQL Server databases. Okay, you can see here in the options bottom. Okay, so Actually, SQL Server is a client-server database system designed for more robust performance, security, and multi-user access. So, SQL Server Express is a free, lighter version for SQL Server, and it is suitable for the smaller items or an entry point. Okay, so SQL Server supports multiple concurrent users, handles large databases efficiently, and it offers advanced security features. So it is generally required for the collaborative work environments. So next we have the P6 Professional Cloud Connect. So this option is used to connect to a Primavera P6 uh, EPPM. EPPM stand for Enterprise Project Portfolio Management Cloud Databases. Okay, so it allows P6 Professional, I mean the desktop application, to interact with the centrally hosted P6 databases in the cloud. So you can say it enables access to the enterprise level P6 databases without the needed for the local server infrastructure management. In the last, we have here the P6 Professional Standalone SQLite. Okay, so this option use as SQLite databases. So SQLite is a file-based databases, meaning the entire databases is stored in a single file on your computer. So we will use this option because we are using I mean single user and standalone version. Okay, so actually, it is easy to set up as it's a pre-packed with the Primavera P6. So SQLite databases are not designed for the multi-user access and may have performance limitations with the very large databases or a data set to dataset, or you can say the concurrent user. So therefore it's best suited for the individual users or very small team where the simultaneously access is not required. So for the P6 Professional, usually we use this P6 Professional standalone SQLite. Okay. So after that, we have here the database alias. So you can see here. So this field allows the users to enter a friendly name or the alias for the databases connections. Database. So this is the example. So after that, we have two options here. These you can see the radio buttons for the connection types. You can see the first is the add a connection to an existing standalone database. So this option indicates the user is configuring a connection to our databases that is already exists. Okay, so this option is very useful in case that in case when your window have a issue, or if you will have a issue with your software. Okay, so in after reinstalling the software Primavera P6, so if you have if you will have the saved databases, so you will be able to reconnect that databases. Okay, so this option we use to you can see add a connection to an existing standalone databases. So second option you can see we have here the add a new standalone databases and connection. So this option would likely create a new database file and configure a connection to it. Okay, so uh, we because we want to create a new database, so so to create a new database, we will use the second option. Okay, so now click on next button. So after that, you can see a new window will pop up. So here you can see I am enter the admin username and password for the databases. So here you can see login name. You can change the login name. You can change the personal name. But for now, I am going to copy this admin. Okay, so you can see here admin. I just copy it and I am going to paste here. So you can see here, login name is the admin, and I didn't change it. You can change it. And I enter a new password. I have just copied this admin and I have pasted here. So uh, you can see here, personal name is the Dell. So you can write your personal name here, confirm a new new password. So I have again paste here. Okay. So next we have here the base currencies, the name and symbol. So I don't need to change here. After uh, in the next videos, I will let you know how we can change the currency and how we can activate the currency. Okay. So next, click on next button. So here you can see we have the database location here. Actually, you can see here the text text field showing the file path where the new SQLite where databases file will be created or it is located. You can see here. So if you will not choose any folder, so it will be automatically saved into the document. So this is the best option. You should click on this browse button and you should have a proper folder for the databases. Okay, let me show you. Uh, Here you can see I have different. I have created a one folder. So I have all the databases in that folder. You can see here. Okay. So I will write here the file. Sorry, folder database. So database name that is was the home database.db. db is the extension of databases. So let me share with you that you should have a proper folder for the databases, and you should not move that databases folder from one drive to another drive. Okay, so these databases are very useful. In future you can use them. Okay, so now click on save button. So here you can see the folder name is appeared here. Okay, so after that we have here the two options: load sample data. Okay, so if you will check in this option, so you can see the you will have a populated with the sample project data. Okay, so because we want to create or we are going to create everything from the scratch, so we don't need the sample data. Okay, so we will uncheck this option. So second option you can see here, this option we use for the I mean the Primavera P6 will be used the ADO.NET for data access with this databases, so we don't need this option as well. Okay, so next we will click on save option, and next the message you can see alias is a saved successfully. Now click on OK option and let's close this window, and again click on advanced option, and let's see we have the database same database or not. So you can see we have the home database. Okay, so next let's enter here the admin password. Okay, so now click on connect option. Okay, so our database is okay. Okay, you can see here. Click on OK and our database is ready for working. So like this, we can create a new database in Primavera P6. In short, let me clear. I can just guide you. You will click here on this button, on this button, on this button, and your databases will be created. So this is the not a proper way of learning. You should know everything about all these options professionally, So that's why I have tried to cover everything, and I have tried to explain about all these options. Okay, so I hope everything is clear. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.